This cycad tree is over 30 years old, but today it looks tired, overgrown and almost forgotten. Dry leaves hanging on, wild grass taking over, and the beauty of the tree completely hidden. So today I am going to restore this old warrior and bring it back to the elegant plant it was once. Hi, my name is Ravi and I am a plant enthusiast from India. This particular tree has been growing in this container on my terrace for over 3 decades. And like many old plants, sometimes all they need is a little care to shine again. Over the years, grass and weeds have quietly taken over the base. The lower fronds have dried out and stayed stuck to the trunk. And slowly, the beautiful shape of the cycad has disappeared. But underneath all this mess, the plant is still perfectly healthy. The first step is always the simplest. Clear the base. Removing the weeds allows the plant to breathe again, and it immediately makes the plant look calmer. Now that the weeds are gone, something interesting starts to appear. Hidden under the grass, this old cycad has been quietly growing a few baby offshoots. These small pups grow from the base of the mother plant. They have probably been here for quite some time, completely hidden beneath the weeds. These old dried leaves are part of the plant's natural growth cycle. As new leaves grow from the center, the older ones slowly age and dry. Trimming them carefully helps the plant focus its energy on new, healthy growth. And honestly, this is also the most satisfying part of the process. One of the most beautiful things about cycads is the symmetry of their crown. Once the old leaves are removed, the entire structure of the plant becomes visible again. A clean base not only looks beautiful, it also prevents pests and fungal infections. Small steps like this make a huge difference in long-term plant health. And just like that, the old cycad begins to look proud again. Same plant, same pot, same terrace. But with a little attention, its natural beauty returns. Gardening teaches us something simple. Sometimes beauty isn't created, it's simply revealed by removing what doesn't belong. If you enjoy peaceful gardening transformations like this, consider subscribing. There are many more plants on this terrace waiting for their moment. I hope you liked this episode. See you soon with an exciting new episode. Till then, happy gardening.